Hi fellas, you're watching The Scientist. Today we will be talking about something very special, a phenomena that rip across galaxies. Using the distinctive capabilities of NASA's Hubble Area Telescope, a team of astronomers has discovered the foremost energetic outflows ever witnessed within the universe. They emanate from quasars and tear across interstellar space like the tsunamis, wreaking havoc on the galaxies in which the quasars live. Quasars are extraordinarily remote celestial objects emitting exceptionally massive amounts of energy. Quasars contain supermassive black holes fueled by infalling matter which will shine 1,000 times brighter than their host galaxies of many billions of stars. As the black hole devours matter, hot gas encircles it and emits intense radiation, creating the quasar. Winds driven by ballistic radiation pressure from the vicinity of the black hole push material away from the galaxy's center. These outflows accelerate by breathtaking velocities that are a few percent of the speed of light. No alternative phenomena carries a lot of energy. Over the period of 10 million years, these outflows turn out 1 million times a lot of energy than a gamma ray burst. The winds are pushing hundreds of solar masses of material each year. The amount of mechanical energy that these outflows carry is up to several hundreds of times higher than the luminosity of the entire Milky Way galaxy. The quasar winds snowplow across the galaxy's disk. Materials that otherwise would have formed new stars is violently swept from the galaxy, causing starbirth to cease. Radiation pushes the gas out and dust to far greater distances than the scientists previously thought, creating a galaxy-wide event. As the cosmic tsunami slams into interstellar material, the temperature at the shock front spikes to billions of degrees, where material glows largely in X-rays but also widely across the light spectrum. Anyone witnessing this event would see a brilliant celestial display. You will get lots of radiation first in X-rays and gamma rays, and afterwards it will percolate to visible and infrared light. You would get a huge light show like Christmas trees all over the galaxy. Numerical simulations of galaxy evolution suggest that such outflows can explain some important cosmological puzzles, such as why astronomers observe so few large galaxies in the universe, and why there is a relationship between the mass of the galaxy and the mass of its central black hole. This study shows that such powerful quasar outflows should be prevalent in the early universe. Both theoreticians and observers have known for decades that there is some physical process that shuts off star formation in massive galaxies, but the nature of that process has been a mystery. Putting the observed outflows into simulation solves these outstanding problems in the galactic evolution. Astronomers studied 13 quasar outflows and they were able to clock the breakneck speed of the gas being accelerated by the quasar wind by looking at spectral fingerprints of light from the glowing gas. The Hubble ultraviolet data shows that these light absorption features created from material along the path of the light were shifted in the spectrum because of the fast motion of the gas across space. This is due to the Doppler effect, where the motion of an object compresses or stretches wavelengths of light depending on whether it is approaching or receding from us. Only Hubble has a specific range of ultraviolet sensitivity that allows for astronomers to obtain the necessary observations leading to this discovery. Aside from measuring the most energetic quasars ever observed, the team also discovered another outflow accelerating faster than any other. It increased from nearly 43 million miles per hour to roughly 46 million miles per hour in a 3-year period. The scientists believe its acceleration will continue to increase over time. Hubble's ultraviolet observations allows us to follow the whole range of energy output from quasars, from cooler gas to extremely hot, highly ionized gas in the more massive winds. These were previously only visible with much more difficult X-ray observations. Such powerful outflows may yield new insights into the link between the growth of a central massive black hole and the development of its entire host galaxy. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe for more videos like this one. Goodbye till then.